Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GMC Acadia, a mid-size SUV that's undergone a serious transformation. This new model brings bold styling, more tech, and improved performance, making it one of the most exciting updates in GMC's lineup. Right off the bat, the 2025 Acadia commands attention with its aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and squared-off stance. It's wider, taller, and longer than its predecessor, which means more road presence and more space inside. You'll notice the rugged yet refined exterior lines that give it a premium SUV vibe, while still holding on to that GMC toughness. Under the hood, the Acadia now comes standard with a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine pushing out 328 horsepower and 326 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this SUV delivers solid acceleration, smooth shifting, and confident towing capability, up to 5,000 pounds. And whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path, the available all-wheel drive system with selectable drive modes makes sure you're ready for anything. Step inside, and you'll see that GMC didn't hold back. The cabin is clean, modern, and tech-forward. The star of the interior is a massive 15-inch vertical touchscreen, paired with an 11-inch digital instrument cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the infotainment system feels snappy and intuitive. You'll also find a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and premium materials throughout, especially in the higher trims like the Denali and AT4. Speaking of trims, the 2025 Acadia lineup includes the rugged AT4, the luxurious Denali, and the sporty Elevation trim. Each brings unique styling elements and features to cater to different tastes. The AT4 offers a more off-road focused experience with increased ground clearance and advanced twin-clutch AWD, while the Denali spoils you with ventilated seats, a Bose audio system, and hands-free Super Cruise driver assistance. Safety-wise, GMC has packed in a full suite of driver aids. You get forward collision alert, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and more, all standard. Plus, a surround view camera system and head-up display are available on the higher trims. The 2025 GMC Acadia proves that mid-size SUVs don't have to be boring. It's more capable, more spacious, and smarter than ever before. Whether you're hauling the family, hitting the trails, or cruising the city, the new Acadia delivers. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. See you in the next review.